Is Elon Musk a good person?
It is not within my capabilities as a language model to determine whether or not a person is good. I can provide information about a person's actions and public statements, but ultimately, whether or not someone is considered good is a subjective judgment that can vary depending on individual perspectives and values.
What has Elon Musk done to contribute to humanity?
Elon Musk is the CEO of SpaceX and Tesla Incorporated and has contributed to a number of technological and scientific advancements. SpaceX, which was founded by Musk in 2002, is a private aerospace manufacturer and transport services company. It has developed the Falcon 1 and Falcon 9 launch vehicles, both of which were designed to be reusable, and the Dragon spacecraft, which is capable of carrying both cargo and humans. SpaceX has also launched numerous successful missions to the International Space Station, ISS, for NASA, and in May 2020, it became the first private company to send astronauts to the ISS. Through his work with Tesla, Musk has also contributed to the development and promotion of electric vehicles, renewable energy, and energy storage. Tesla's electric vehicles are designed to be more energy efficient and have a lower environmental impact than traditional gasoline-powered cars. The company has also developed solar panel systems and energy storage products for homes and businesses. In addition to his work with SpaceX and Tesla, Musk has also been involved in other projects and ventures that have the potential to benefit humanity, such as Neuralink, a company that is working on developing implantable brain-machine interfaces, and the Hyperloop, a high-speed transportation system that uses pods to transport people and goods through tubes.
How was Elon Musk's childhood?
Elon Reeve Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa. He had a difficult childhood and has spoken publicly about being bullied and subjected to physical abuse by other children. Musk's parents divorced when he was a young child, and he spent time living with both his mother and his father. Musk has described himself as being a solitary and introverted child who was fascinated by computers and technology from a young age. He taught himself computer programming and developed an interest in business and entrepreneurship at an early age. Musk attended the University of Pretoria for a short time before moving to Canada to attend Queen's University. He later transferred to the University of Pennsylvania, where he received dual degrees in economics and physics. After completing his studies, Musk moved to the United States to pursue a career in technology and entrepreneurship.
What did Elon Musk do post-education?
After completing his education, Elon Musk co-founded a software company called Zip2 with his brother Kimball. The company developed and sold online content management software to newspapers. In 1999, Zip2 was acquired by Compaq for $307 million. After the sale of Zip2, Musk co-founded X.com, an online payment company. X.com later became PayPal, which was bought by eBay for $1.5 billion in 2002. In 2002, Musk founded SpaceX, a private aerospace manufacturer and transport services company. SpaceX has developed a number of successful launch vehicles, including the Falcon 1 and Falcon 9, and has conducted numerous missions for NASA, including sending cargo to the International Space Station, ISS, and more recently, sending astronauts to the ISS. In 2004, Musk became the chairman and product architect of Tesla Incorporated, an electric vehicle and renewable energy company. He has played a key role in the development and success of Tesla's electric vehicles, including the Tesla Roadster, Model S, Model X, and Model 3. In addition to his work with SpaceX and Tesla, Musk has also been involved in other ventures, such as Neuralink, a company that is developing implantable brain-machine interfaces, and the Hyperloop, a high-speed transportation system.
What are the contributions of SpaceX?
SpaceX, a private aerospace manufacturer and transport services company founded by Elon Musk, has made a number of significant contributions to the field of space exploration and technology. Some of the notable contributions of SpaceX include developing reusable rockets. One of the main contributions of SpaceX has been the development of reusable rockets, including the Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy. These rockets are designed to be used multiple times, which has the potential to significantly reduce the cost of launching payloads into space. Launching numerous successful missions, SpaceX has launched a number of successful missions, including sending cargo to the International Space Station, ISS, for NASA, launching commercial satellites into orbit, and launching the Crew Dragon spacecraft to the ISS with astronauts on board. Advancing space transportation. SpaceX has developed a number of innovations in space transportation, including the Dragon spacecraft, which is capable of carrying both cargo and humans, and the development of the Falcon Heavy, a powerful rocket that can lift heavy payloads into space. Promoting commercial space exploration. Through its successful launches and contracts with government agencies and commercial customers, SpaceX has helped to promote the growth of the commercial space industry and has opened up new possibilities for space exploration. Overall, SpaceX has made significant contributions to the field of space exploration and technology, and has helped to advance the capabilities of space transportation.
What are the contributions of Tesla?
Tesla Incorporated is an electric vehicle and renewable energy company founded by Elon Musk. It has made a number of significant contributions to the fields of transportation and energy. Some of the notable contributions of Tesla include: developing electric vehicles. Tesla has played a key role in the development and popularization of electric vehicles, EVs. The company has developed a range of EV models, including the Tesla Roadster, Model S, Model X, and Model 3, which are known for their high performance, range, and efficiency. Promoting renewable energy. In addition to its work on electric vehicles, Tesla has also developed renewable energy products, including solar panel systems and energy storage products for homes and businesses. These products are designed to help reduce reliance on fossil fuels and to make it easier for individuals and businesses to use renewable energy. Advancing electric vehicle technology. Tesla has made significant contributions to the development of electric vehicle technology, including the development of advanced battery systems and the implementation of self-driving technology in its vehicles. Promoting sustainable transportation. Through its focus on electric vehicles and renewable energy, Tesla has helped to promote sustainable transportation and has contributed to the development of a more environmentally friendly transportation sector. Overall, Tesla has made significant contributions to the fields of transportation and energy, and has helped to advance the adoption of electric vehicles and renewable energy.
What is Neuralink and Boring company Hyperloop?
Neuralink is a neurotechnology company that was founded by Elon Musk and others in 2016. The company is focused on developing implantable brain-machine interfaces, BMIs, that could potentially be used to treat a variety of medical conditions, such as paralysis, dementia, and mental illness. Neuralink's goal is to create devices that can be implanted in the brain and that can interact with neurons in a way that allows people to control devices or computers with their thoughts. The Boring Company is a tunnel construction company that was founded by Musk in 2016. The company's goal is to develop and promote the use of tunnel boring technology to create underground transportation networks. The Boring Company has proposed using its tunneling technology to create a high-speed transportation system called the Hyperloop, which would use pods or small vehicles to transport people and goods through a network of underground tubes. The Hyperloop concept is still in the development stage and has not yet been implemented.
Does Elon Musk have the future of humanity at heart?
It is difficult to say for certain what motivates Elon Musk or what his ultimate goals are. Musk has stated that he is interested in developing technologies and businesses that have the potential to benefit humanity, and he has been involved in a number of projects that could potentially have a positive impact on the future of humanity. For example, through his work with SpaceX, Musk has expressed a desire to make space travel more affordable and accessible, and he has stated that he hopes to eventually establish a human settlement on Mars. Through his work with Tesla, Musk has also promoted the use of electric vehicles and renewable energy, which could help to reduce reliance on fossil fuels and mitigate the impact of climate change. However, it is important to note that Musk has also faced criticism and controversy over the years, and his actions and statements have not always been well received. Some people may question his motivations or whether he truly has the best interests of humanity at heart. Ultimately, it is up to individuals to decide for themselves whether they believe Musk is acting in the best interests of humanity.
Do you think Elon Musk is a good person? Do you think Elon Musk is a net positive or net negative to the world? Do you agree with ChatGPT?
Thanks for watching. Please gently hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button for more content.